What's the meaning of atrocity? Atrocity. Atrocity.
Atrocity. Atrocity. Atrocity refers to an extremely wicked or cruel act, often involving violence, towards humans or animals. Such acts are typically regarded as being highly immoral and heinous in nature, and can lead to significant physical and emotional harm for those affected. The consequences of atrocity can be devastating and long-lasting, affecting individuals, communities, and societies as a whole. The perpetration of atrocity is a serious violation of basic human rights, and efforts to prevent and address such acts are essential for ensuring greater peace, justice, and security in the world.